Select yes, select Nigeria, then accept these terms and conditions, then start using Admob, then continue. Then when it opens to this page, tap get started. Tap get started, then select Android and no, continue. Give your app any name you want. For me, I'll give it Global Growth. Give it any name you want. You can change it later. Then add app. Tap done. Click on add unit. Select the banner. Put it banner 1. Create add unit. This code then copy it out and put in your notepad. Put it in your notepad. This one is the app ID. The first one is the app ID. Then this one is the banner. This one is the banner. Then create another add unit. Select interstitial. Then put it interstitial 1. Interstitial 1. Create the add unit. Copy only the down one, the second one, the down one. Or you can copy the both of them if you want, but the relevant one is just the down one. Interstitial. Then paste it. Then app name. For me, I'm giving it Global Growth. Then done. That's all. Then done. You are done. Then the next thing is to now go to your home page and fill this missing payment information. Please, if you are using an iPhone, it won't load, so you have to use an Android phone. But I'm using an Android phone, so it will go. Then you fill your payment missing information. This is what you will fill: your address 1, where you live, your city, your postal code and your state, and your phone number. That's all. Then submit. Then you are through. You are done with registration. It's very simple and very easy. Don't fill what I don't ask you to fill. Fill address 1, because some people are very not-headed. Fill address 1. Don't fill 2. Don't fill suburb. Fill city. Fill postal code and your state and your phone number. That's all. But phone number is optional, so you can leave it. That's all. Then when done, you send me those add unit code.